Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So before we start, first let me introduce myself. My name is Jomarisi Palible and I am a first year college student studying at Quezon City University, and I am taking up a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So in this video, I will share my own personal experiences before the pandemic occurred and during the pandemic. So before the pandemic occurred, my life, both social life and school life, has been much better before than during this pandemic. Before the pandemic broke out and spread rapidly, I still remember what I'm exactly doing during that time. It was in the month of March last year, 2020, if I'm not mistaken. I went to my classmate and friend's house in Marikina City to sleep over because we have an upcoming final exam before we graduate senior high school. We're also planning to schedule our graduation photos during that month, but eventually it didn't happen because the pandemic occurred. We're sad and we regret it that we should have scheduled our graduation photos earlier before the pandemic happened. It was very unfortunate and we didn't predict it at all. So that was the last thing that I remember and the last time that I go out with my friends before the pandemic occurred. Then, few months later, the first year of my college life began. It was still pandemic and I only have two universities to choose from, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines and Quezon City University. In PUP, I enrolled in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing, and in QCU, I passed and qualified in the BSA. And I chose QCU over PUP because BSA is my first and my desired course. Then, in October 2020, the class was officially started and it was held online. At first, everything was new to me, and of course, I'm sure other students feel the same too. Compared to the traditional face-to-face way of teaching, online class is more convenient since we're just in our houses and we don't need to go to school. But it also has some negative effects for me. In the online class setting, it still lack warm interaction between the instructors and the students. There are many other factors that affects our learning and teaching as well, such as the poor and unstable internet connection, noisy and loud environment that are distracting us to become more focused, and many other factors. I also experience some health problems, especially in the eye, when I am looking at the monitor of my laptop for a long period of time. When some professors gave a lot of activities, assignments, projects at the same time, and when it piles up like a mountain, just by looking at it, it gave me stress and sometimes it leads to anxiety and depression. But before that happens, I took a break from time to time and spent some time for myself away from stress and depression. During the pandemic, I also watched tons of movies, animes, Korean drama series, and I also play online games like Mobile Legends to ease myself from stress, boredom, and cabin fever from staying at home for a long period of time. Before the pandemic, I don't go outside that much. I feel more comfortable by just being alone and staying at home. I am an introvert and shy type of person, that's why I only have few friends, but the pandemic makes it worse than before. These days, my insomnia got worse. Before, I can sleep earlier and get 6 up to 8 hours of sleep, but now I always end up sleeping between 2 to 3 a.m. and I only got 4 to 5 hours of sleep. I'm trying my best to sleep early, but I can't help it. There was one embarrassing moment during my online class last semester wherein I didn't get that much time of sleep at all. The following day, in the middle of the class of my first subject, I suddenly felt sleepy, and I didn't know that I fell asleep. When I woke up, I was the only one left in the Google Meet. That was one of the most embarrassing and memorable moments that happened to me this year. I also tend to procrastinate a lot in almost every subject. I feel like I'm getting more motivated when doing my schoolworks when the deadlines of submissions are drawing near than doing it earlier. Thankfully, I turned them all in just at the right time before the deadline. Finally, I survived the first semester of my first year, and I hope that I'll survive this last semester too and in my succeeding college years. I hope that this pandemic will end sooner so that we can go back to our normal lives. Let us help each other to fight the COVID-19 pandemic by wearing face masks and face shields, by practicing social distancing, by following the health protocols and precautionary measures, by being updated, watching the news, and becoming a responsible citizen of our country. This is it. If you have something to share, don't be shy and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to pray, stay safe and healthy. Once again, this is Jomari C. Falible, future CPA. Thank you for watching.